Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and I'm obsessed with all things beauty and skincare. Today I decided I felt like vlogging for whatever reason, so I figured I would take you guys along the way with me. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel, comment down below and hit the notification button, and let's just get into it. So I just woke up and my tree is not lit. The tree needs to be lit. Of course, I always have this plug-in called Fresh Balsam plugged in every time I put my Christmas tree up around the holidays, just to enhance the smell of my beautiful little Christmas tree that I cut out of my backyard, you guys. I'm not even kidding. And this is my well, right here I have sage that I burn. I keep it next to my candles so I can just light it whenever I'm feeling the room is a little tight. And I just used up my last candle, so it's time to pick a new one. I still have all my candles in the back of the body sale. Also, I need to get my nails done today. I can't anymore. I think I'm in the mood for hot cocoa and cream. It's just too good not to burn. And I also got this marble stand. I got this marble stand from Bath & Body also. It's so pretty. It's $19.50, but I believe I got it on a sale, and I just love putting all my candles on top of it, and it goes so well with like a muted color toned house. Like if you're a Scandinavian designer or anything like that, this goes good. It's just like a very Scandi like candle holder. So before I get the dogs, I like to just spray my kitchen with Cuban vanilla by Pier 1. I'm almost out of this stuff, but when I wake up in the morning, I just like to get like a good fragrance going throughout the room, and it needs to be like season coordinated. So this morning it needs to be this Cuban vanilla to make my room feel warm and cozy and nice. You guys, all right, so dogs are out. One of my ducks did lay me one duck egg, so I like to collect my duck eggs. I definitely love to eat my duck eggs. They're really, really good. Once you get used to eating from your own animals, like at first I was a little like grossed out because I was like, oh no, this came from Pecky, like meh. But now it's like, no, these eggs are delicious. This morning I'm gonna do Special K cereal with cinnamon oat clusters by Kind Healthy Grains, and then I'm going to use Almond Breeze almond milk. And the reason why I used to never eat carbs. I used to only eat like eggs and bacon in the morning for all the protein. But what I've learned about cereal, although it's high in sugar, it's also very high in a ton of vitamins like potassium, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, and niacin, vitamin B6. So the cereals I do like to still keep in my diet for those nutrients and benefits, especially in these cold winter months. I'm really making a conscious effort to really try to not get sick. So now's the time. I like to look into YouTube. I love to see what's going on with everybody's channels, who's trending, who posted what. Of course, the people that I'm subscribed to. If you guys posted a video, I love watching it. Like right now, I am just obsessed. I've been obsessed actually with her for a while now. Gabi DiMartino, her channel is just so cute, fun, and girly, and down to earth, and I just love it. And her videos always uplift me. Also, her sister is an absolute doll. Her content is great also. Hi, can I have a medium iced coffee with less ice and hazelnut flavoring? I'm sorry, no, toasted almond flavor, I'm sorry.
Any cream?
Nope.
Black?
Yes.
Anything else?
That's it. I'm so excited. I just got my nails done, and you guys, are you kidding me? How cute is this? am home after running my errands. I got everything I wanted to get done, but now it is time. I let my dogs out. I fed the ducks. I got them water. That's good, because getting like the ducks what they need in this weather is like crucial. Like they always need a lot of food and water to withstand these cold temperatures. So I am getting ready to jump in the shower at this point. I figured I would bring you along for the ride with my nighttime skincare routine, but I am just about done for the night. I don't know, you guys. So first thing that I always do before I get in the shower, every time I wear makeup, is I remove my makeup with the 𝗦𝗘𝗗𝗜𝗔𝗟 cleansing oil. You guys, this is like my second or third bottle at this point. Do about 2 pumps, and then I just start smothering it all through my face and break down all of that makeup and powder from the day. Now it's time to rinse this off. As you can see, it never gets my eye makeup off. I'm going to use my Johnson's Baby Shampoo, which is the best eye makeup remover ever. I'm gonna start massaging it in my eyes very gently. You can open my eyes and look at it, it's already gone. Next, when I'm in the shower, I rinse with my Clarisonic Mia Smart. And I've been starting to use my 𝗠𝗘𝗗𝗜𝗟 Hydrotherapy Cleanser. I usually use an AHA cleanser, but sometimes I just don't feel like using one every single night. I feel like it could be too abrasive to my skin. So I'm going in with this like very hydrating foam cleanser by 𝗠𝗘𝗗𝗜𝗟, and then I just go in. I always start with like my nose and my chin area first before the next beep. I feel like Mrs. Doubtfire. Remember when she like put a bunch of cake or something on her face? That's how I feel right now. I feel like Mrs. Doubtfire. Okay, so all my makeup is off, my face is washed. I'm going to get in the shower and I will be right back. I'm almost done with the video. I hope you're enjoying it. I'm just gonna finish up with a quick nighttime routine with you guys. Just so you know, I lathered my arms and chest with this honey lotion. I love it so much. I'm gonna quick tone with the Shiseido facial cotton pads that I love so much. And I'm going to be using the La Mer tonic as a toner. Just a little bit. And last but not least, I'm doing a really short nighttime routine with you guys tonight because I'm tired and I was running around all day and I'm just about done. So what I like to do at least once or twice a week is use this 𝗂𝗏 Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial Mask, where I will actually sleep in this all night and just kind of wake up with like really even toned skin from the vitamin C. I just scoop it out and I just start working it in my skin. And it definitely, a little bit does go a long way, so it's a very like satisfying mask, and of course I bring it all down my neck. Guys, last but not least, because I do feel extra tired today, I am just going to spritz myself with the Urleek Herbal Recovery Signature Mist. I feel refreshed and ready for bed. You guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope that you subscribe to my channel. And I had a great time vlogging today, got a lot done, and I'm very happy to share my life story with you guys. I love you guys. You have a great night.